Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to our Timeless Traditions Block of the Month. This block of the month is designed by Bits and Pieces. It will run 10 months long, and this quilt finishes at 90 inches by 90 inches. In your first month packet, you will receive your pattern, of course, which will have all the information about assembling your beautiful quilt. All the fabrics will be labeled for you, and most importantly, we have a welcome letter in the package. Within the welcome letter, you'll find your billing information. For Timeless Traditions, it will be billed on the 27th of each month. If you need to update your billing or shipping information, please refer to our welcome letter. Inside the welcome letter, you'll find a beautiful picture of your quilt and some QR codes. We have a Facebook group for our Timeless Traditions Block of the Month. Please be sure to join our Facebook group. Post pictures of your progress along the way. If you get stuck, post your question and we or somebody will be sure to answer you. We have a very active Facebook community and we hope you will join us. Also, there'll be a QR code where you can find information about your fabric keys needed for your quilt. Also, you can subscribe to our Stitch in Heaven newsletter where we will have many upcoming events, block of the months. If you miss this Timeless Traditions block of the month, we have plenty more coming down the pipe. You can always find one that you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us at Stitch in Heaven. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.